Stocks finished a little higher today after plunging earlier as investors try to find their footing following Wall Street's biggest one-day drop in 2 years. The Dow closing up 30 points, the S&P 500 up 13, NASDAQ up 86. Now, the market's move follows a hot inflation report. Everything, including food, rent, electricity, and insurance, all at the highest point in decades, despite gas prices dropping. Now, it could lead the Fed to make more aggressive interest rate hikes. And amid the high inflation, retail giants also feeling the burden with credit card processing fees. Stores like Walmart and Target claim Visa and MasterCard are holding them hostage with those fees, and it's trickling down to consumers in the form of higher prices. Now, typically, processing fees cost a business up to 3.5% of each transaction. Merchants and shoppers paid nearly $138 billion in credit card fees last year. So Dan Roccato, finance professor at the University of San Diego, is here to break this all down for us. Dan, great to have you here now. 1,600 businesses led by Target and Walmart. I think everybody's heard of them. They're saying Visa and MasterCard have this stranglehold on the credit card market. Is that a fair accusation?
Well, it probably is. Hi, Nicole. Thanks for having me. Here's what's going on. It's a complicated issue. It kind of makes your hair hurt. Well, not mine, but the details are pretty simple, right? So big picture, their Visa, MasterCard collect processing fees each time you and I swipe, dip the chip, whatever it may be. Anytime we're using that plastic, they collect the fee. Then they pay some to the banks, et cetera. But the real issue here is they have what in economics we would call a duopoly. Between the two of them, they control about 80% of the market. And that has merchants, as you said, big merchants and small merchants saying, foul, not fair.
All right, so Dan, are these the kind of fees that we would see on our bills, or are these the fees that, you know, the stores are dealing with, passed on to us? And then what's the reasoning behind these fees?
Yeah, great question. So you and I don't see the fee directly. It's embedded really in the price we pay for goods, but we do pay for it. There's no such thing as a free lunch, right? So it's estimated that the average family last year spent about $900 in these interchange or processing fees. That's what it costs you and I. Again, we don't see it. It's embedded in the price. Now, the card companies, Visa, MasterCard, say, well, hang on for a second. Fraud is way up. That costs us a lot of money. We're constantly innovating new products. All those things are true. But again, when you have two players that essentially control the entire market, that's probably not a good idea.
And let's not forget, I mean, these companies are making a lot of money off of the interest that people are accruing. Is there a solution in all of this?
Well, here's the thing. You and I think, would agree. We always should fall down on the side of competition. Sometimes it's ugly, it can be unpleasant, there's winners, there's losers, but at the end of the day, competition is good. So whether it takes legislation to do that or whether they do it on their own in the industry, the reality is you and I as consumers, we benefit when there's certainly more than two players when there's competition. That's what we need to see in this market, Nicole.
All right, more competition. All right, Dan Roccato, as always, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.